Hello friends, welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video, I am showing you how to repot an aloe vera plant and explaining you some tips and factors about when to repot and how to repot aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant is an easy, attractive succulent that makes for a great indoor plant. Repotting of aloe vera plant is not necessary until it is become too heavy or overgrown. If the plant become root bound, it will send up more shoots or offshoots above the soil. If this offshoot or pups are not removed, they will suck the life out of mother plant. If we are growing them in containers or indoor, we definitely need to repot after 1 or 2 years. Aloe vera plants typically need to be repotted every 12 to 18 months depending on how actively they are growing. Some slow growing aloe vera plants grow on same pot for years, but they will require a soil replenishment. Early spring before the start of growth season is usually the best time to repot your aloe vera plant. When to repot an aloe vera plant? If you had an aloe vera plant for years now, it's getting too big or developing more offshoots or run out of nutrients in the soil. If it is growing for years in same container, these are the factors we can consider for repotting. Now let's see how to repot an aloe vera plant. To repot an aloe vera plant, first carefully remove it from its current pot. If any pups are present, you should be able to pull them apart from the main root mass. If the plant is root bound, you have to cut the roots apart with a knife. Don't worry about your aloe vera plant. They are very tough and the roots can handle being cut apart. Once your aloe vera plant is divided, leave the plant out for at least one night or some time in a warm dry place. This will help to heal any wounds to the roots. A good potting mix for aloe vera plant is made up with regular soil, especially loamy or sandy soil, and again with coarse sand or catca soil can be added, and then little amount of cocopeat and compost are good for potting mix for aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plants need well-drained nutritious soil. These plants are succulents in nature, so they love dry porous soil to grow. Fill the pot with well-draining potting mix, then place your plant in the soil. Continue filling the soil around the plant and you should leave at least half an inch of space between top of the soil and rim of the pot. Bottom leaves of the aloe vera plant should rest just above the soil. After planting the aloe vera plant in the pot, give them a good watering in their new pot. And then don't water them again for 3 weeks, and this will force the new roots to seek water, and it is normal for a transplanted plant to turn grey or brown for a while. They are in shock. Keep them in a shady spot during this period, and this will help them to recover faster. Water your aloe vera plant deeply but infrequently. To discourage root rot, allow the soil to dry at least 1 to 2 inches deep between waterings. Place your aloe vera plant in a bright indirect sunlight or artificial light. A western or southern window is ideal for aloe vera plant growing. Aloe vera that are kept in low light often grow leggy. Aloe vera plants are best grown in temperatures between 13 to 27 degrees Celsius. You can fertilize your aloe vera plant, but aloe vera generally don't need to be fertilized. If you decide to add fertilizing to your aloe vera plant, it should be once a year in spring season. You can use a phosphorus heavy water based fertilizer and half strength. Alright friends, I am concluding this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel for more videos and give your suggestions in comment box, and thank you for watching.